another swatch video. So today we are doing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit Highlighter Palette. So I actually got this as my sign-up bonus gift when I joined Lorebox, and then never got around to actually using the thing because I wanted to keep it pristine for this video, and it's been like, what, 2 years? So, we should swatch that so I can start using it, because I keep looking at it longingly and wanting to use it, and it's stupid that I haven't. So apparently this palette goes for like 40 bucks, which is crazy. Given that it's like 6 colors in it, but I mean, that's Anastasia Beverly Hills for you. So it's got these 6 shades in it, which, honestly, gonna be real, I'm not quite sure how you wear highlighter colors, these colors, but I am intrigued to try. So we have Blue Ice, which I'm trying to tilt them so you can get like a bit of the shimmers at different angles. Star. Purple Horseshoe, which honestly I feel like these two ought to be swapped name-wise. Pink Heart, which is barely pink, but okay. Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. So I have a little makeup wipe here, and we're gonna start swatching. So let's do Blue Ice first. Oh, okay, so that does have a blue shimmer to it. This is like the most wearable one in my opinion out of these, just looking at it so far. But I love the iciness of that. Look how beautiful that is. That reminds me of the Ofra ones that I love so, so much. So very excited to play with that guy, if nothing else. Next one in is Star. So we'll see how it does. Little uncertain, but maybe. Maybe. Okay, actually that's a lot prettier on than it looks in the palette, not gonna lie. Alright. Maybe these are more wearable than I gave them credit for. Again, it is 40 bucks, so I mean, they wouldn't make a shit product for that, would they? They might, but I mean, let's try Purple Horseshoe. Okay, so this one I'm more iffy on, but maybe. I mean, it would definitely be a very ethereal type of a glow, not so much a natural one, but that's okay. That's okay. It's almost June. By the time this goes up, it will be Pride Month. Lots of rainbow looks, so, I mean, it'll work for that, if nothing else. Okay, let's try Pink Heart. Ooh, okay, I already like that. I definitely don't have anything quite like this one in my collection with a pink tint to it. I feel like it's not picking up on camera accurately, true to life, but in real life that is a very pink, sparkly highlighter, and okay, I like that a lot more than I thought I would, like, not gonna lie. That's actually super duper pretty. So let's get Lucky Clover up in here. This is the one I am, like, the iffiest about, but maybe I could get, like, mermaid vibes out of this or something, you know? Maybe. And I'm not entirely sure I'm sold on it, but, like, I'm sure I can find something to do with it. Alright, last one. Blue Moon. Come on through, Blue Moon. Let's be cool. Let's see it. Okay, more wearable than I thought it'd be. Most of these are more wearable than I gave them credit for. I'm still iffy on the green one and the purple one, if we're being real. But, like, most of those, apart from that, a lot more wearable than I expected, so that's fun. Okay, let's clean that all off. Alright, did I get it all? Alright, so this is by no means a review of this palette yet. One will be forthcoming, but I wanted to swatch it out before anything else, just to give you guys a general gist of what the shades look like. This isn't their only highlighter palette, but it seems to be the one that I see the most often, so anywho. that. Like I said, that's about it. That's just swatches, so we'll do a review another time. Anyways, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye-bye.